Carly, can I have some more?
And I'm like in my head going, no, you didn't.
What do you find in me?
Yeah. You know what? I found
Cat food and popcorn.
because I think that I'm doing them a service.
Are you hungry?
I think you're going to be great on that. We have to take a break. We'll be back.
Are you hungry? I turned it off. Are you hungry? Can I have some more? Is that the secret food stash?
Mom, guess what? Emily said she's going bowling now.
Who cares?
And then I said, that is so insane. I was whispering it. Then I said, Emily, that's so insane.
Steven, watch, your sister's getting dinner. Give brother some.